What if I told you people around the world are getting paid to train AI from their laptops, even from their phones? Imagine no office, no commuting, no complicated degrees required. Just your skills, your thinking ability, and an internet connection. Right now, artificial intelligence is exploding. Companies are racing to build smarter systems. But here's the twist. AI isn't smart on its own. It needs humans, real people, people like you and myself, and that's where something called Stella AI comes in. This isn't some get rich quick thing. It's not crypto hype. It's not another sketchy make money online promise. This is about training AI modules, reviewing responses, solving logical challenges, analyzing content, and helping improve how AI thinks and responds. And here's what surprises most people. They don't just let anyone in on it. Before you start earning, there's an onboarding test, and it's serious. The test evaluates your critical thinking, your ability to follow instructions precisely, your attention to detail, and your reasoning skills. Because if you can't think clearly, you can't train AI clearly. But if you pass, you unlock paid tasks. People are earning by rating AI responses, improving prompts, identifying errors, comparing outputs, writing and evaluating answers. And the best part, you can join from almost anywhere in the world. All you need is a stable internet connection, strong English comprehension, and the ability to think logically and carefully. No fancy setup, no expensive tools. But let me be clear, this is not easy money. You need focus. You will need patience. If you rush, you won't pass. If you treat it casually, you will get filtered out ASAP. But if you're sharp and serious, this could be one of the smartest online opportunities you step into this year. In this video, I'm breaking down what makes it stand out, how people are earning, how the onboarding process works, and how you can position yourself to get accepted. So stay with me till the end. This video might change how you look at AI. Before we dive in, give this video a massive thumbs up, share with someone, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's get started. You want to go to Stella.ai. This is their platform here. On this platform, you can find flexible work for your unique skills. You can contribute to improving AI. You earn $25 an hour plus with flexible hours remotely. If you have skills or knowledge in maths, STEM, creative writing, programming languages, history, law, creative arts, humanities, sciences, digital literacy, then you want to come here. You don't need experience. You don't need prior experience for this because you can learn on the job. Yeah, they actually train you on this platform. They employ people with diverse skills and knowledge. Okay, you can work from home, from the comfort of your own home. You work as much as you want and as when you want. They pay straightforward hourly rates. It will be agreed, okay, before you start any gig. No experience is needed, like I said, because they're going to train you. You learn as you go on the task. How to get started is do the skill match test to get the best suited jobs. Okay, that's the onboarding. You do it. They will take their time to review it. If you pass, then you'll be welcome into the platform. Then you start taking up tasks. You complete tasks when it suits you, where it suits you. You get paid competitive rates on a weekly basis. Now, for the FAQs, this is where you can find most of the things you need to know about this platform. They offer flexible project-based work in data annotation and AI training, unlike fixed full-time or part-time jobs or fixed-term contract work. Annotators who work with us have open-ended contracts with no required schedule or set contract duration. You can choose to annotate when projects are available and when it fits you. So during my onboarding test, I came across annotations, which I did. All right. So comment AI in the comment, and I will upload that video where I completed my assessment to guide you through. Okay, I might not be correct, I might not be 100% right, because I'm still waiting for them to get back to me, and it might take a bit of time. I'm not sure how long, but I'll keep waiting and hoping that I pass it. Their platform is designed for self-service. You can control your workflow, access resources as needed, and build valuable experience in the growing AI industry at your own pace. So for the requirements, you need to be 18 years or older, a reliable internet connection. Strong attention to detail is very important. Fluency in English, PayPal account so they can pay you. PayPal is back in Nigeria. Glory to God. Get your PayPal account, guys. Get your PayPal account, connect it through Pagan. All right. I was supposed to upload a video about it, but because of my location, I won't be able to sign up. But go ahead and do it. Okay. Is this a full-time position? No, it's not. It's an independent contracting position. You operate as self-employed with the freedom to accept tasks that fit your availability. Do you need to quit your current job? Of course not. Do you need previous experience? No, you can learn on the job. Okay. How do you join Stella's annotator pool? The process to join is sharing a bit about yourself, your interests, and your skills, completing a skill match test, reviewing and signing contract agreements, setting up your payment information. So this is my account. Let me see if I can go back into my account to show you guys. So for how much you expect to earn, their base rate is $25 an hour, but it depends on the job and the level of job you're doing. Do you provide training? Yes, they provide comprehensive and self-service training materials and guidelines for each project. So whenever they give you a project, there will be a training and a guideline for that project. Explore jobs. These are jobs that they have now: senior software engineer, machine learning engineer, junior software engineer, generalist. So this was the one I went for. You can see we're looking for versatile individuals who bring diverse skills and experiences to our team. What we are looking for is adaptability, quick learning, problem solving, communication skills. The position is ideal for you if you have a broad range of skills and interests, enjoy variety in your work, are still exploring your career specialization, bring unique combinations of expertise, don't see yourself fitting neatly into other specific roles. For opportunities, as a generalist, you work on diverse projects, discover your strengths and interests, develop expertise in multiple areas. So apply for this position if you're ready to bring your unique perspective and contribute to their dynamic team. So I've already applied and the job is still available. You can go now after watching this video to apply for this. So I applied and I did the onboarding test, guys. It took about 1 hour. I will not lie to you, 1 hour to complete the onboarding test. It says 40 to 90 minutes, but it took me about 1 hour to go through it. So I don't know how long it will take you, but you need to find time, sit in a quiet place. So this is how it goes. This one pays $80 to $120 an hour after passing the qualification, depending on the role. Okay, and an option to move to a 20-hour per week guaranteed hours contract. Guys, this one is amazing. So if you're interested in starting ASAP, you need to have this requirement: bachelor's degree in computer science, machine learning, at least 4 years of experience in software engineering, proficiency in Python, strong understanding of machine learning, excellent written communication. So if you click on apply for this position, it will bring you here. Then you start with this, your name, your country. You can see that all the countries are here. You can definitely find your country, but if your country is not here, it means they're not taking from your country for this job. But when I applied for the other one, generalist, Nigeria was among the list. So I think in this one, they're not taking Nigerians for this one. Okay, so which means you can, I don't know how you would do it, but yeah, they're not taking Nigerians for this particular one. Then you fill in your educational level and every other detail. If you have a proxy, if you have a VPN, if you have, to change your location, you can still apply. This one is paying really well. And if I go back to the other one, let me see. Guaranteed hours contract available. This one is available right now. It's paying $35 to $70. You teach AI agents how to develop web apps. So let's say apply now. It brings you here the same way. So I think you guys should focus on the generalist one because Nigeria is there. But again, I've told you guys, location should not be your barrier. Get a VPN and proxy, change your location and apply for these jobs if you have the right qualification. Okay. So that's how it is done. That's how it's done. After you finish the first phase, okay, the second phase will then be the 40 to 90 minutes of skill assessment, the onboarding. It takes 40 to 90 minutes, but it took me more than an hour to complete. So you can go ahead and apply for this generalist one right now. All right. Now, here's the reality most people won't tell you. Opportunities like this reward thinkers, not complainers, not shortcut seekers, not people who copy answers from Google. If you're serious about joining and passing the onboarding test, here are some practical tips. First, improve your attention to detail. Read every instruction twice. Many applicants fail because they skim. Second, strengthen your logical reasoning. Practice explaining why something is correct, not just selecting an answer. Third, work on clear writing. Clarity beats complexity every time. Fourth, don't rush the onboarding test. Treat it like a real job interview because that's exactly what it is. Fifth, think long term. This isn't about one payout, it's about building a skill in AI evaluation, and that skill is becoming more valuable every year. What I like about this opportunity is that it's global, skill-based, and aligned with the future of work. But remember, there are no guarantees. Your results depend on your efforts, your thinking ability, and your consistency. If you approach it professionally, you increase your chances. If you treat it casually, you decrease your chances. Simple. If you found this helpful and want more breakdowns on real online opportunities and AI income streams, hit the like button so this reaches more people. Subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown, and drop a comment saying AI if you want a step-by-step guide on preparing for the onboarding test, because guys, I already completed mine, and if you're serious about leveling up your online income this year, don't just watch. Opportunities don't disappear, people hesitate. Don't be that person. I'll see you in the next one.